I'm not centered. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a special guest today, Johnny!
Woo!
Yay!
Go team.
Now, Johnny and I are gonna do what is the not so latest trend. We're gonna make slime!
Yay!
Slime! Slime! We went out and got all the ingredients that this really happy girl told me to get on YouTube. What is her face?
I don't know.
I will post your face here. As you can tell, she's bright and wearing ears, so I figured we needed to be wearing ears in order to make slime. Step 1, wear ears. Step 2, get some glue. What do you have on your side?
I have half empty bottle of hand soap.
Nice! I've got some generic lotion.
Shaving cream.
Got some food coloring.
Cornstarch.
And last but not least, glitter.
I was gonna say sprinkles, but
Sprinkles.
glitter,
It's
multiple
glitter.
colors.
You probably don't want to use sprinkles. That'd be kind of gross.
Don't want to eat it.
It's
You
not-
can, but you know.
Ooh, borax is the other ingredient.
It's on me.
Take your large bucket of glue and open it. Now Johnny's gonna help me measure this. I need a cup. Good job, we got
A cup.
a cup. And I'm gonna pour a cup of glue.
Okay, hold on already.
We're going to pour in a cup of shaving cream.
All right, here we go. Yeah.
Woo! Now what we do is we add a few pumps, so like 4 pumps of lotion. And then I got strawberry scented soap. And she used foamy soap to make it extra whatever, but
It's edible.
I didn't get foamy soap. I just got normal soap, so I'm just gonna like, I guess do some pumps and see what happens. I did 10 pumps. Okay, so we're gonna do food coloring next. What would you like to do? Would you like to be blue or pink?
Blue.
I'm gonna be pink. Pink! With like 2 drops. Or as many drops as you want, just not like the whole thing. Johnny.
Perfect.
So now we mix it in. Mine's a beautiful cotton candy pink color.
Mine looks like the sky.
Wow!
Wow.
Now we add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in order to give it
Starch.
1 spoon of cornstarch. 2. We are ninjas at this. I don't know how people fail at making slime. We are still winning.
We'll find out.
So I've got my fluffy pink goop, and then the magic happens. Then you take your borax and you slowly add some borax in there. I'm gonna start off with 2 teaspoons. Okay, so then when it gets all like thick and gross, you're supposed to grab it and knead it with your hands. Oh, oh, oh. Oh my gosh, it's working! This is so exciting! It's hurting my eyes. I think I got some in my eye. Okay.
Here we go. I feel like I killed a Smurf.
It's just it does look like Smurf guts. No, you can't just.
What?
I think that was.
I think it's a great move.
I think you angered the slime gods.
I think it works.
All these slime children are gonna be like, no!
We did it!
We did it. Okay, so I'm gonna put my pink fluffy slime there. He's gonna put his blue. I think your blue one looks nicer than mine, but it's still a little sticky. And then I'm gonna make purple. And then we're gonna add glitter to them. I'm gonna create a little pocket in the middle. I'm gonna go ahead and add glitter to them. Yay! This is like the most successful slime video ever. Okay guys, so from the three of us, we have a review of this slime, this fluffy slime. Johnny, what do you think? How did you find today's experience?
It's fun! And messy.
It is messy, but it's also clean at the same time. Like this isn't sticking.
I'm blue.
And I'm purple.
Yay.
I would so do this with kids like as a one-off. I don't know, maybe like if you buy in bulk like we did, you could do it like every weekend as a weekend activity. That would be cool. However, it's not an everyday activity and it is kind of pricey because everything costs money.
Yes.
So, yeah, I mean, this is tested. We approve of it. It's my first, like, non-paper craft video, which is kind of exciting, I think. Except for when I made Millie treats. I'm just mesmerized by, like, the glitter in it. His came out a lot better. I'd love to try this with the clear glue. I need to earn some money first. Oh, mine's got weight to it.
It just looks so cool, I love it.
Yeah, yours is pretty neat. Yeah, the clear glue would be really awesome as well, because I think
you can see the sparkles.
Yeah, you get to see the sparkles a lot more easily. Anyway, until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Bye!
Bye!